If you use affiliate links, it's not only the right thing to do to let your readers know, it's also the law. Kristen Evans is going to help you figure out the most effective way to do it.
FTC disclosure. It is a thing. It is a thing that you have to do. You need to follow the rules. They have started coming down on influencers and also brands for not disclosing properly.
Hey there, I'm Jason Logston, and this is Making Bacon, all about helping you serve your fans, grow your income, and get the most out of your blog. Affiliate links are a great way to make money for your website, and they're a good way to serve your fans' needs. However, when you use them, you have to be clear about when you're using them so your fans know. This isn't only good practice about being honest with your fans, which is something that's very important to me, but it's also the law. There's a few things you have to do. And in a recent podcast of mine, I talked to Kristen Evans, who is an affiliate guru. She's an affiliate brand manager for some great brands, and she knows more about affiliate marketing than pretty much anyone I've ever met. So I'm going to hand it over to her and a little discussion we had about the best ways to effectively disclose that you use affiliate links.
So I know we're getting close on our time, but if I didn't ask you about this, I know I would be chastised later. So we talked a lot about being honest with your readers and making sure that you tell them what's going on. But more than just being honest with them, there are laws about what you have to do to be in compliance. Otherwise, you're breaking the law. Can you talk a little bit about what that is and what bloggers need to know?
Yes, absolutely. So this is literally like my favorite subject to talk about. FTC disclosure. It is a thing. It is a thing that you have to do. You need to follow the rules. I'm kind of a bulldog when it comes to it. I have been known to call out really big brands just under my own personal accounts and being like, what? Why aren't you? As an affiliate manager, I do look at my bloggers' posts regularly and tell them that they need to include the FTC disclosure. And if they don't, we will kick them out of the program. There's no excuse for not disclosing. It's necessary, but it levels the playing field. You know, everybody should play by the rules. I know not everybody does, but everybody should play by the rules, and you might as well start by doing it correctly than risk losing money later. They have started coming down on influencers and also brands for not disclosing properly. But guys, it's so simple. Natural language disclosure is the most easy and concise way to do it. Literally, all you have to say is, if you purchase through the links in this post, I may make money. Period. The end. It doesn't have to be anything more than that. It doesn't have to be affiliate links. Actually, the FTC specifically says that just using the term affiliate is not clear enough because most people don't understand what affiliate is. The FTC does say that all disclosures need to be at the top of the post, and it needs to be clear and conspicuous, and you can't just have a static one over in your sidebar. It has to actually be on the post itself. It has to disclose that there's a monetary relationship, and that also includes whether, you know, if you're staying at a hotel and it was a hosted event, if you got free entry into an event, if you got the product for free, you need to disclose that. If it's a sponsored post, you need to disclose that. If you are receiving anything as a result of posting, as long as there is some sort of compensatory or monetary relationship, it needs to be disclosed. As I said, just use simple natural language disclosure. Just make life easy on yourself.
I always put one definitely at the top of the post. And then if it is something that I got the product for free or that I've worked with the brand, I always say in the first paragraph or two of the blog post itself, I will say, when I was working with Snake River Farms, they hired me to come on and do a video for them, and they sent me some free product, and here's the video, and here's the free product, and I'm going to be talking about it.
That's perfect.
It's great context for my readers. Like, it's being upfront and honest with them. And again, that's what I would tell my mother-in-law. You want to be honest with them and build that rapport with your readers, and I think that helps your affiliate sales because your readers trust you.
Right. And as we mentioned earlier, you can word it in a way so that it helps your readers understand that by clicking through the links, they're supporting your site. And so you don't have to look at disclosure as a daunting thing. You can use it to your advantage. Use it to your advantage as a blogger. Allow yourself to make money. Allow yourself to look at your blog as a business. And don't be afraid to use affiliate marketing as that way you make money, or one of the ways.
Affiliate links are just one way that you can work with brands. If you're interested in figuring out a lot more ways and how to set yourself up for real success when working with them, check out this video. It's going to go into a lot more detail and help you make sure that you're successful when you try to get in front of brands.